Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to change the default text style in your Gmail inbox. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is select the gear icon in your Gmail inbox up at the top right. Go ahead and left click on that. And then you want to go down and select where it says See All Settings. On the General tab, you want to scroll down underneath where it says Default Text Style. Click on the drop down here wherever the font style is, and you can select a different font style from this list, as well as the size of the font. So you can select small, normal, large, or huge. You can also select the text color if you like to customize that, as well as if you want to remove any formatting options, you can select that one as well. So if you had any custom options you selected, you can just go ahead and select the remove formatting option, which I believe would act as a sort of reset option in there. And then if you made any selections or changes, you can just go down to the bottom here and select the Save Changes button, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.